All right, good morning. Lake Don Pedro today. We're getting an early start. We're at Blue Oaks launch ramp. Sun's just coming up. We're gonna try and get some bass and some trout today. So we'll be on the water here shortly. Come on out and good luck. 5:30. Boy, we're getting a little bit of an early start. Sun's just coming up. We're gonna get out our trolling gear, head out to a few spots, get these downriggers set down, get our lead core ready. Hopefully we can put some fish in the boat this morning before it gets too hot. Last time we were out, the water temperature was 82 degrees. But boy, the water temperature now is 74 degrees. So that's a pretty good drop in water temperature. So maybe in the early morning we might get a decent bite. All right, come on out and good luck. Fish on.
You got a fish on?
Fish on.
Already?
Yeah.
Good.
Fish on. 10 minutes in.
Before we got anything in the water.
10 minutes in.
Must be the boat captain.
Yeah, he put us on the fish right away. Woo! Little pool right there. Lead core 160 feet back.
Feel like a bass?
Could be a bass. Small bass, probably. Here we go. Oh, a little dinker. And he jumped off.
Jumped off.
Oh, he was only about 6 inches. Fish on.
Is he on there?
Oh yeah.
Is that your watermelon?
No, this is the black and silver
Oh.
on the lead core.
Oh, there you go.
How deep were we?
About 80 feet, 82.
Oh,
Oh, ooh, that's a good one.
That's a rainbow.
Yeah.
There it is. Here it comes. I thought he was coming. He's not ready to come yet, though. He sees the boat. There's a nice trout. Well, we got us a decent trout.
That's a good one. Real good one.
Nice.
Unless he's swimming toward. Yeah, he was swimming toward us. I don't think he's on. I'm not sure. Nope, he's off.
Oh man. Oh look, right to your left. There's a fish that just came to the surface on the left. Well, that's a bummer. There's a few fish here.
Wait a minute. Wait. Oh, I still got him. I still got him. I still got him. Yeah, he was
Swimming to the boat.
swimming to the boat.
All right. Oh, little tiny bass.
Don't say little tiny.
I don't even think he's 12 inches, so
Oh, yeah, he is.
he's caught up in your lead core.
Okay. There, over here.
Oh, that's a keeper.
Yeah.
That's a keeper.
Yeah.
There we go.
Here we go. That's
Another one for the box.
Yeah.
All right.
No.
No, purple assassin.
Oh, there you go. There you
We'll
go.
have to go back through there.
Yep. Is that the newer purple
Fish on
assassin?
right there, and we were in about 80, 90 feet of water again.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll go back through. Bass?
Into the bass.
Can't see it.
Yeah. Not ready yet, huh?
Not quite ready. Bring him in there.
14-incher.
There you go.
Well, we've been in about 80 feet of water, 30, 40 feet down on the downriggers, caught those two. Going for like an hour and a half, not getting nothing, and within 5 minutes we got two. This one's got some purple in it. The other one we got had some purple in it on a wiggle hoochie. Both on the downrigger, so let's see if we can get a couple more in the boat.
Mine I didn't feel up till the last minute. Yeah? There you go, straight or turn or what?
That's another one that got off. That's 2-2, but got off.
It's gotta be your hooks.
So
Gotta be that one hook. Another bass.
fish on, but no head shake again. There's a little bit of head shake, I think. Not much. Pretty visible here pretty quick. Does not want to come up, does he? That's a nice fish. Not that big.
Well.
All right, another bass in the boat.
Think so?
We'll see in a minute. 13-incher.
Oh, there you go.
13-incher.
It's all sprayed and everything. Ready to go. I had a lollipop on there.
We might have to swing back through there. You got hit twice.
Okay. What's it feel like?
Oh, he's hitting it, that's for sure.
Yeah, I saw mine go woo right down. Then all of a sudden you got hit. That lure again? It must be the one that you clipped.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going back through there.
Yeah.
I told you it was bad luck to clip that.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, look at the fish in there.
Another one got off.
Well, I'm gonna bring him over here.
Okay.
Maybe. There, that's the pig we've been waiting for.
Woo!
That's the pig.
There's one for you.
Now that is a bass.
Nice. Okay, our lines got all tangled up. And now we're pulling the bass in by hand.
Oh, that's a pretty good one. That's a good one.
His head here.
It's a real good
Get
one.
his head here. He's off.
What?
Well, with all the shenanigans going on, with all the lines messed up and us trying to pull the fish in by hand, looks like I tried to net it and knocked it off the hook, and now we have no fish, and it was a decent fish.
It was a great fish. It was the biggest fish of the day.
But as you can tell, we ended up with a pretty good sized mess. All the lines got tangled, and we had a pretty good mess going. Well, come on out and good luck. Even with little frustrations, it's a great day.
Good luck. Huh?
Unless he's swimming towards the boat again.
You ready for the net?
No, I don't feel no head shake now.
There you go.
13.
There you go.
Lures today were the Purple Assassin, black and silver Rapala spinners, put garlic on just about everything. We had a great day. Wind's picking up right now. Lake Don Pedro. It's one of the lakes you can go to, no inspection. We had a little mishap. Some lines got caught up. We lost a nice fish trying to net it. That was my fault, trying to get it in the net. We got one small one in the boat. We lost 2 or 3 off the line. They just came loose. But we did put one nice trout and 5 bass in the boat. So overall, we had a pretty good day. Come on out and good luck.